So this is how I like to cut an onion. This is my favorite way. I want to be able to cut it with my machine because I don't want to sit there and cry for who knows how long. The key is to make sure that the core is intact. So you're going to cut from top to bottom, or from bottom to top, as long as you're cutting from here to here. And you're just going to cut it into wedges. Some people take the skin off and some people don't. So when I cut an onion, like I said before, you want to cut the core from top to bottom so that it stays intact. So when we're cutting it, we'll be able to use that to hold the onion together. So I like to add a little of the skin to still be on it. So the key is here, I'm going to use a shoestringer. I'm going to hold it like this. This is going to be my guard. And I'm just going to force my middle part down onto it, and that's how you're going to do it. Then you just have, you have a little bit left over, but only a little. You could make it bigger also. So instead, this is like a nice shred right here. If I want, here I'm cleaning out the middle. I don't want to waste any of that. I could take like a bigger number 3 and make a bigger chunk instead. So again, just doing that. And then you're going to have like bigger slices. So most of the time I want to use this one. I would rather have big slices of onions. So, and then the last one, again, I'm just using this as my guard. The skin is kind of my guard. Just go like that, and then there's the rest of the onion.